Virtual has become the normal. But who wants normal when you could have extraordinary? When you don't lower your expectations, something incredible happens, revolutionary happens. Impactful virtual events happen. At Corporate Magic, we have been making virtual a reality for years. When you reimagine what could be possible, instead of just recreating what's familiar, your participants will experience something remarkable. They connect again. They engage again. From across the country and around the world. In the midst of the unexpected, one thing you can count on, Corporate Magic still focuses on what's most important, achieving each and every one of your event goals. And more than any other company in the industry, we have the know-how. More tech know-how, more live broadcast know-how, and more years of message-driven meetings know-how. Blended together to produce engaging, informative, and entertaining moments in all sorts of unexpected and inspirational ways. CM is more than just a platform, much more. We've got you covered from start to finish. Whether your event is online, in person, or a little bit of both, we are your partner, built for collaboration to create a uniquely shared experience that is distinctly Corporate Magic.